Hi friends, welcome to Aditi Food Channel. I am Sujata Shivashankar. Today I am going to show you
how to make mango cake.
Let's begin by taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour in a large mixing bowl. To this goes in 3 teaspoons of baking powder, goes in 2/3 cup of sugar. Add a pinch of salt. Let's combine well. No need to sift, just whisk well. Now add 1/3 cup of oil. Now goes in half cup of milk and add 3 eggs one at a time. Beat, mix and whisk well. If you have electric mixer, it makes the mixing job easy. Continue mixing until there are no lumps and set aside.
Pour into a well buttered non-stick cake pan or a silicone mold. I've taken 350 gram of chopped mango pieces. Place the sweet chopped mango chunks on top of the cake mixture.
Make sure you preheat your oven at 340 degree Fahrenheit or 170 degree centigrade. Let's transfer this into a preheated oven and bake it at 170 degree centigrade for 30 minutes. While the cake is getting baked, let's start preparing the icing.
Add 1 egg into a large mixing bowl.
Add 1/4 cup of unsalted melted butter. Add half cup of sugar. Whisk it and combine well. Now scrape in some orange zest. You can also use lemon zest. We have added around 1 teaspoon of orange zest.
This will give a special flavor to the mango cake. Icing for the mango cake is just ready. It's just baked at 170 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. Remove carefully from the oven.
Pour the frosting icing mixture over the cake. Ensure it covers all. Then replace in oven.
Bake for another 10 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Once it's done, remove carefully from the oven.
Once cooked, leave to cool for 10 minutes.
We have super moist, easy to make mango cake.
Slightly buttery with a crumbly outside texture, and it's incredibly moist throughout.
Mango cake.
Simple, super soft, has a very tender buttery crumbs
with a bite of mango chunks in it.
Try this recipe at your home. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Aditi Food Channel.
Thank you for watching.